Namaskar. Welcome to Daily Weather Briefing of India Meteorological Department. And the highlight of the briefing is one is the abatement of cold wave and cold day conditions over northwest India after 48 hours. And second highlight is the dense to very dense fog conditions over parts of Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar will continue during next 48 hours and decrease in intensity and distribution thereafter. If you look into the observed weather during past 24 hours, then today the minimum temperatures has risen in many parts of northwest India by 1 to 2 degrees centigrade, except many parts of Punjab and Haryana where there is no significant change during past 24 hours, and the minimum temperature has fallen by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade over central and adjoining north peninsular India during past 24 hours. And today the minimum temperatures were in the range of 1 to 4 degrees centigrade over many parts of South Haryana and adjoining areas of North Rajasthan, South Uttar Pradesh and adjoining areas of North Madhya Pradesh. And today the lowest minimum temperature of minus 0.5 degrees centigrade observed over Churu in Rajasthan over plains of northwest India. And the minimum temperatures are below normal by 5 to 7 degrees centigrade over many parts of East Madhya Pradesh, adjoining areas of West Madhya Pradesh, some areas of Haryana, isolated pockets over North Rajasthan, South East Uttar Pradesh, South Bihar, North Jharkhand, Northwest Odisha, and eastern parts of Vidarbha. And basically today morning, dense to very dense fog occurred over many parts of Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, over some parts of Uttar Pradesh, and in isolated pockets over North Rajasthan, Jammu Division, and sub-Himalayan West Bengal. And today morning, dense fog also occurred at isolated pockets over Uttarakhand, Delhi, Bihar, Tripura, and Assam. Yesterday, cold day to severe cold day conditions prevailed over many parts of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, in isolated pockets over northeast Madhya Pradesh, and yesterday cold day conditions also prevailed at one or two places over Punjab and sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim. And today, cold wave to severe cold wave conditions prevailed over many parts of South Haryana and Delhi, over some parts of North Rajasthan, East Madhya Pradesh, and East Uttar Pradesh. And cold wave to severe cold wave conditions prevailed at isolated pockets over West Madhya Pradesh, West Uttar Pradesh, and cold wave conditions prevailed at one or two places over Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, and Himachal Pradesh. This is the today's synoptic features. So today a western disturbance as a trough in mid-tropospheric westerly runs over the Afghanistan and neighborhood area, and in lower tropospheric levels a cyclonic circulation lies over the South Bangladesh and neighborhood area. If we look into the weather forecast and warning for the next 5 days, then due to the approaching western disturbance on 10th of January, minimum temperatures are very likely to rise by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade over many parts of northwest India after 2 days, and because of that, there will be the cold wave to severe cold wave conditions in isolated pockets very likely to continue over North Rajasthan, South Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, East Madhya Pradesh on 9th over and cold wave conditions in isolated pockets on 10th of January over the region. And cold wave conditions is also likely to prevail in isolated pockets over Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, West Madhya Pradesh, and Telangana during next 2 days, over Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, and Odisha on 9th of January. And after 2 days, the cold wave conditions, there will be the abatement of cold wave conditions from all over the north and adjoining central and east India, mainly from 10th of January onwards. And in the other part of the country, there will be no significant change in minimum temperature, very likely over many parts of East India during next 3 days, and gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade thereafter. And in the central India, the fall in minimum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade over most parts of central India, Maharashtra state, and northern parts of peninsular India during next 3 days, and no significant change thereafter. And if we look into the forecast for the fog and the cold day, then because of the continuation of prevailing light winds and high moisture near the surface over Indo-Gangetic plains, dense to very dense fog very likely to continue over some parts of Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, adjoining areas of North Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh during next 2 days. and dense fog in isolated pockets over the region for subsequent 3 days. Dense fog in isolated pockets is also likely over Jammu Division, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, North Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Tripura during next 2 to 3 days. And because of the dense fog and very dense fog over the region, there will be the cold wave to severe cold wave conditions over many parts of Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh during next two days. And thereafter, there will be the only cold wave conditions in isolated pockets on 10th of January over the region. And the cold day conditions is also likely over North Rajasthan and Bihar on during next 2 days, over the Sub-Himalayan West Bengal during next 24 hours. And that is after the 48 hours, there also will be the abatement of cold wave conditions over the entire North India and adjoining Central and adjoining East India. And there also will be the ground frost conditions in isolated pockets over South Haryana, North Rajasthan, North Madhya Pradesh and West Uttar Pradesh during mainly on 9th and 10th January morning. This is the weather warning in color coded and graphical form. So because of the very dense fog over many parts and isolated cold wave conditions, we have given the red color warning for the Punjab, Haryana, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh for the next 24 hours, and we have given the orange color warning for the Bihar, northern parts of Rajasthan for today, and we have given the yellow color warning for the other areas because of the dense fog and cold wave conditions. For tomorrow, we have given the orange color warning for the Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar. And in the remaining areas, we have given the yellow color warning because of the very dense and cold wave conditions over the region. And from 10th of January onwards, we have given only yellow color warning for the North India. It means there will be the decrease in fog conditions over the North India, and also there will be the abatement of cold wave and cold day conditions from the North India from 10th of January onwards. For more detailed weather information, you can visit the IMD website. You can follow us on our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. Thank you.